This is a TASVAC, very nice, versatile.
You said that, right?
As you can tell, it's not a very super loud vacuum. Right now I have it attached to one of the parts, so I use it as a handheld to clean the table. Very effective, very efficient, very lightweight as well. And it can run up to 50 minutes on its own. Here's the bottom attachment for the vacuum. All you have to do is pop the top off and put it back on. As you see, it rolls around really well. Can fit in small areas, which is really nice, especially cleaning corners and all that in this apartment. But yeah, haven't had any issues with it so far. Really good product here. And yes, I highly recommend this to anyone.